All right, guys, so next we're gonna be learning the T-step. This is a great move to add to your running man as a transition move or just if you wanna travel. Basically, I like to explain it as like your motion that you should be feeling is a kick out like this, yeah? You're kicking out, whatever leg it is, could be your right, could be your left. With the leg that you have on the ground, the moment that you kick this leg out, you're gonna be pushing your heel out like this. Heel, yeah? Heel. Every time you kick out, your heel drives outward towards the direction that you're kicking. To travel with it, next you're gonna be adding a toe. So you go heel, and then the toe meets it. Heel. When this leg comes in, the toe meets it. Heel, toe. You're like clawing the ground a little bit. First, your weight is on your toe so that you can hit out on the heel. Heel, and then your weight goes on your heel when you bring in the toe. Toe. Heel, toe meets it. Does that make sense? And then also on the other side. Heel, toe. Heel, toe, heel, toe. Just remember when your heel goes out, that's when you're pushing, boom. And then when your toe goes in, everything comes in, boom. Heel, toe, heel, toe. All right, so let's try that with counts. So every time you're kicking out and you're hitting that heel, you're doing it on the ones and the twos. The ands are when you bring your knee in. So it should look like this. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and. Other side. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and. Nice. So let's try with music. All right, guys, you're doing great. I hope you enjoyed the T-step. I'll see you in the next video.